We are in Atlanta, Georgia, up in Dunwoody, which is the north side of Atlanta, at Santa Fantastical. Kids are dressed up. You guys ready?
Yeah, I'm a tree, and I actually look like a tree because trees are brown, and I'm brown, and snowmen are brown, and Cason's brown.
All right. Well, we got here early, so it's kind of chilly outside, so we're waiting in the car. So we popped London's car seat into the back so that they could kind of just sit down. That way we don't have to worry about trying to put them back in while we sit here and wait for about 15 minutes. Okay, you lost a lung. What is this place, Sherelle?
I don't know.
Wonderful. It took us about 45 minutes to an hour to get here, give or take. So let's see what Santa Fantastical is all about. Alright, so it starts in about 5 minutes. The door's gonna open up.
Look, it's counting down already. Look over there.
Yep, it's already counting down. Once it counts down, I don't know what's behind the doors, but we're gonna go behind, explore. Cason's excited. London, you're excited?
Yeah, it's just like Candytopia that we went to, and Candytopia has different rooms, and this one has open rooms. I know that because there's stuff all up there on the roof, so I know that this is like Candytopia because it's like a place that you could take pictures. So I know that like this. So I know this is like Candytopia.
Yep. So maybe it is like Candytopia. We shall see. Sherelle will tell us. We'll know. So you start off by walking through like a pathway of Christmas trees and lights to take pictures with mirrors. It's nice. So let's see what the next room has to offer. Here to see Santa? Yes, we are, I guess. Let's do it. Look at the northern lights. I guess we're gonna do face painting. $9 for a tattoo face paint, $20 for actual face paint, $24 for accessories, and I think they take a picture. Let's get these face painted. Just did the face painting. Santa's over there, so we're gonna leave that for last. We're gonna go take some more pictures. London, Cason sees a concession stand, so we're gonna go tear that up, and we'll go from there. All right, so now we're in like a little photo area. It's pretty cool. Everything's laid out really nice. Let's take some pictures. so far?
It's bigger than Candytopia.
It is, yeah. I feels a little bit more laid back
It's
also.
very expensive.
How much was it?
I mean, just to come in, you took about $25 for us. I think $20 for the kids. Then paints and faces is $20 a piece. And then they have a $10 pretzel. The drink is $4. Drink, then get drink.
And then you gotta include tips. So like we gave a tip to the face painter. They do have adult beverages there. It's kind of like a little speakeasy. You gotta say the word of the day. But let's keep going. Alright, so greeting cards were not expensive. We just took photos with Santa. It's $6.99 or $7.99 a sheet, and it has 2 greeting cards on it. So we're just gonna get one sheet, send one to my mother, send one to Shirell's mother of the kids. So let's go look at Santa's workshop as well as the hanger. Our time at Santa Fantastical is coming to an end. If you're looking for something to do this holiday season, definitely check it out. It's in Sandy Springs, Georgia. It's fairly reasonably priced, so I definitely recommend it.
But there is a peak price, like there's a peak season and the prices spike up.
Oh, so you might want to check your prices to make sure you get the best deal possible. In the description, we're also going to put a link to our website, the www.thenealsnextdoor, where you can get a full review and our take of it for a more better breakdown if you're looking to plan your trip. So until next time, have a good day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button. If you're not part of our family already, definitely take the opportunity to join. And happy holidays from Neals Next Door.
Merry Christmas!